Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a diamond pattern with a woven center. Let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is make double half hitch knots, starting with the 2 strings in the center as our leading ropes. And we're going to cross them over just like that so that there isn't any gaps between our work when we tie. So they're going to cross over. And I'm just gonna drape this one over so it's out of my way. And then I'm gonna tie my double half hitch knots in a diagonal line this direction. And so to do that, I'm gonna take the first working rope right behind the leading rope to form a loop. The working rope curls over and through the loop. Pull it through, pull it tight. And then I'm going to take that working rope in front of the leading rope, curls around and through the circle, pull it tight, and that is my first double half hitch knot. And now I'm just going to continue doing that all the way to the end. Once we are finished with this side, it's time to use the rope we draped up out of the way as our leading rope. It points in the opposite direction. We bring the first working rope behind. It curls around and through the loop. Pull that tight. Then it goes in front, curls around and through the loop. Pull that tight. And then we continue on doing the same. And now we have the first part of our diamond shape. So now how do we get the woven center? Let me show you. We are going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 strings on this half that we tied around our leading rope. And we're going to tuck them out of the way. So I'm just going to drape them across my rod out of the way. And then I'm going to point this in the direction I want it to go, so to complete the diamond. And I'm going to use these remaining strings as my working ropes to tie around my leading rope. So I take the first one, curl it around and through the loop, pull it tight, then it comes in front to form the loop where it curls around and through, pull it tight, and then just keep repeating. Just like that. So that is what it should look like. And now we're going to take our strings that we draped across out of the way, and we're going to weave it through what's in the center there. So our first one goes under, over, under, over, and under. And then we're just going to pull it through just like that. So then the next one's going to go over, under, over, under, over, like that. Next one then goes under the first one. Over, under, over, under. Pull it out. And we just keep repeating that, so the next one is going to go opposite of our last one, and so on. Pull everything a little tight and adjust where you want it. And that's what it should look like when you're done. So as you can see, everything is woven and opposite of the last row, so it goes under, over, under, over, under. And now what we're going to do is take our leading rope that is on the right side, point it the direction we want it to go to finish our diamond, and use all these remaining strings to tie around it. So the first one comes up behind to form a loop, curls inside the loop, you pull it through, pull it tight. Now it comes in front to curl around and through the loop, pull it tight, and now we just repeat that system. And then to connect our ends here, we just pick whichever side we want to be our leading rope and tie the other rope around it as we have been. So I'm going to use this one, point it this direction, the working rope comes behind, curls through the loop, pull that tight. Now it comes in front to form the loop where it curls around and through, and you pull that tight. And that is all you do. And now I have a diamond shape with a woven center. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring.